My name is Steffen Kraft. I'm the head of global sales of KAESER Kompressoren, and I'm taking care together with my department to support about 140 countries globally with sales and service support, technical support and project support. My company is producing compressors, so the name is KAESER Kompressoren, and we are taking care about our customers. We don't want to sell machines, we want to provide the best solution. And since 1970s, we are selling always the most efficient machines. This means our slogan is more compressed air with less energy. The biggest benefits for us are two benefits. So we get aware of new customers, which are maybe prospect customers, future customers, and new applications, which will help also to understand ourselves, our business much better, to focus more on our target industries. This package gave us the possibility to do all the networking, which we did, and to have also an additional presentation where we could tell our prospect customers about the innovations, what we have, the advantages which we can provide for them, and also to take part on the dinner, so that we have also the possibility in a relaxed atmosphere with a big group of people to see and chat, and also to participate on the tombola, because then when I had a speech on the tombola, everybody got aware of my face. And also today I was contacted by others, they know me, and there was no distance, and they had no problems just in contacting me, so makes networking very easy. Yes, it was very effective. We had a very good support from BGS, and we have had really interesting talks with interesting customers, and we learned also about new applications. We're working on a new machine type which is providing oil-free air and is providing the highest efficiency in the market, which helps our customers to save energy, which leads to cost reduction and CO2 reduction. It was for us very helpful. We learned a lot from our customers, also what their needs, what needs they have, what needs are existing, what problems they have. And we had interesting discussions, and we will have also a serious follow-up to support our customers in the cases which we discussed. Outsourcing is also a very interesting but also very complicated topic if you would like to do it by yourself. So we offer a very simple outsourcing model. We offer to our customers to concentrate their personnel on their core business, and then, like energy, they are not running a power plant by themselves. So why should they run also the compressed air station by themselves? So they can just buy from us the air they need. We take care about everything. They can use the well-trained personnel for what they really need, and we take care about the compressed air station and help our customer to forget about the compressed air, because everything is working and our customer can relax. With Maria, we have been very satisfied. We have had contact with Daria at the beginning, so she made the contact with us. She prepared everything very well. And then when we arrived here, we had Maria, which was assisting us, helping us, showing us around and introducing us to other countries, and she did a really good job. Without her, we would not have had all the meetings and all the networking possibilities what we finally had. There is no moment I would like to miss the personal manager. So we have from the beginning up to now a very good contact and a very good support. And she was always coming and asking if everything is going well and which companies we would like to meet in addition. So there was a very well taken care of, and it was very beneficial for us. So without her, this meeting would not have been, or this conference would not have been the same as we have had right now in regards of success. Very interesting question, and I have just one picture in my mind. I was passing by a lady which was very interesting for us because she was from a company where we have been eager to have a meeting with, and we haven't put her on our list. And I just asked her, would it be possible to have a meeting with her? And I just returned to our booth and I turned around and she was already standing there with the lady, so it was perfect. We see that we have had interesting discussions, interesting networking. We learned about new prospect customers, about new applications, and therefore, I guess I have a strong belief that this will also lead to an increase of our business and also to help us to increase the fulfillment of our goals, and maybe we'll set new goals in the future.